guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, that way you get notified every time we upload a new video, which is at least once every week. Alright, for my OGs who know me for this content, this is our usual monthly grocery haul, and this is for our family of 4. As per usual, some of the things from last month have spilled into this month, and for this month I have gone to Farmfoods and Aldi, my staples. I actually intended to go to Iceland because I've been meaning to try their combos for a while now, but I was too tired to try out a new place, if you know what I mean. But next month I would see about Iceland. All right, so for this month haul we spent around £200. I will be leaving the prices on the screen as per usual. So yeah, let's get into this month's haul. So starting with this section, and I got this carton or this box of chopped tomatoes. These are quite similar to the plum tomatoes. I use them interchangeably, but this is the 400-gram ones, and there's 12 in there. This pack of 12 cost me £4 and change, which is a steal. So all of this is less than £5. This would might probably spill over to the next month. We also got a pack of 12 Nikki toilet rolls. We got this pack of chicken. This is the crispy chicken chunks. We got 2 of that for chips. We have some from last month, so we're picking up what we have. I saw this pack of 6 pork loin chops, and I took 3. This came in a combo, so there's 3 of that here. This is for steak dinners, and yeah, I also got my combo for my smoothie blends. So this, I'm trying blackberries for the first time, the frozen blackberries, and I got 2 packs of mango. So this 3 was for £7. We started off at £5, but that's 2 years ago, well, almost 3 years ago now, and now we're at £3 for that. So I got this pack of fish fingers. There's 15 in 1. I got 2 boxes just to subsidize the chicken that we have for this month. Plus this also goes into lunch packs and after school dinners. I picked up this crispy chicken skewers. We've tried this I think 2 months ago, and it was really good, so I got 1 of these, and we're trying this for the first time. This is the 8 Mexican fajita cooked chicken fillet skewers. This just goes in the air fryer and it comes out really nice. So we're trying this Mexican one for the first time, but we've bought this before. They were both the same price, roughly around the same price. As per usual, my chicken wings. I love chicken wings. This came in a combo of 2. It used to be £9 and change, but now this 2 was £15, which was quite shocking to see. But anyway, that's what we got for that. We also picked up this slab of bacon. I can't remember how much this was. I think it was £4 for this. We got this for the first time last month, this pork spare ribs, and it was really good. I like this with salad. I've tried this with salad before and it was really good. This is the Chinese one. So we got 2 of that for this month's shopping. At Aldi I got this whole chicken. They were both 30% off, so I got 2 of that. I want to make a whole grilled chicken this month, so watch out for that recipe. I might make 2 if I like the first one, so stick around for that one. I got this 3 combo chunky chicken tenders. This one is not spicy, but the other 2 are spicy. These are spicy, hot and spicy ones. I should have gotten 3 because I'm sure I got enough for the boys over there. But anyway, this is also for chips, and I like this with salad as well. I got 2 crates of eggs. These are the 15 fresh eggs that you get from Farmfoods. 2 of this was about £4 and change. Yeah, for the first time I'm trying cooked prawns. This is cooked cold water prawns, and this pack was about £9. It looks like there's a lot in there, and I still have some of the big ones that I got I think 2 months ago. I haven't finished that one. It's just a little left, and I'm trying this one. So this one goes in like a roll or like pasta and things like that. Yeah. I got 2 packs of steak chips. We have some chips left from last month, like I said before, so we're just topping up what we have. This 2 used to be 2 for £5, but right now it's 2 for £7, but we're not gonna say anything about that. Okay, I got our staple Hellmann's mayonnaise. I love this mayonnaise. It's great with salad, it's great with everything. I also got some classic barbecue sauce. This is Del Monte. This brand makes ketchup. I think I got that in my Dagusta box. So this is what the boys are currently using for ketchup. So I got this just as extra sauce for their nuggets and for their chips. We also picked up, I don't even know who picked this up, but this McVitie's BN16 vanilla flavored biscuits. The boys are trying this. I don't know who put this in the basket, but it was on the basket when we checked out. I picked up this Otis at Aldi, and I got these 2 digestive biscuits from Farmfoods. I think this 2 was about £2 and change. Yeah, so I got 5 of this sardine in vegetable oil. This is very good. I love this on the go. We have about 2 left from last month's shopping. This is very, very handy for like tuna sandwiches, sardine sandwiches for the boys. Like on nights when I don't feel like cooking, if I give them this, they are golden. Baked beans. I'm the only one who eats baked beans in this house, so I only got 2 of that for this month. I got some hot dogs because I'm looking to make some on the go breakfast for the boys. I haven't made it in a while. It's on my food channel. If you're interested in that recipe, I'll put a picture up so you guys can see. I want to make some of that for the boys, so it's easy for my husband to get them ready on days when I have to go to work early. I also picked up 2 cans of coconut milk. This is great with jollof rice. Very, very good with jollof rice, fried rice as well. It spices up your food. I love to put this in jollof rice now. I also got some 6-pack yogurts. I got 4 of these for the boys. This is their little delights. They love this for after school. It's great for snacking. It's really good for them. I also got these split pots. I bought 2 the other day, but I don't know what is left in the fridge, but I should have taken more than 1. But anyway, this split pot is usually for myself and my husband, while the boys have these. I don't know what's left in the fridge, but I'm kind of regretting that I chose only 1. I picked out only 1. I picked out bell peppers. These peppers were small today. I don't know what's up with that, but it was still the same price, 59p for 1. I picked up 7. I also got 4 packs of these long peppers from Aldi. Yeah, this usually goes to like pepper mix and that. I mixed these 3, well, these 2, the tomato there, and rudo, and that's it for my pepper mix. I don't do complicated pepper mix anymore because cost of living and that. Okay, all right, so we got some lollies. My husband picked this out for the boys. This because summer is real. Like today was hot. We also got some ice creams. We got the white and the chocolate, dark chocolate, or is it milk chocolate now? I think, well, classic. So 2 of that. Some pizzas for when I'm not at home or when I'm working late. 2 boxes of that. We also saw this at Farmfoods, and I think this is going to be great for like on the go breakfast. So the boys like to have things like toast and things like that in the morning, so I'm going to freeze 3 of these up. I got 4 of these waffles. I'm going to freeze 3 of them up because I saw someone's video where she just puts this in her toaster and it's good to go for the next day. Don't mind this half onion. It's good to go for the next day. So I'm going to freeze 3 of them up. I'm going to leave this last one in the fridge, so it's easy for them to warm up in the morning. They can put chocolate syrup or maple syrup on that. It's good for them. I got this maple syrup. I'm sure I forgot to show you this. This is a really good maple syrup, by the way. Yeah, so I got some pear at Aldi. I love pear. I love this in fruit salad. I should have gotten watermelon. I completely forgot, because this is the perfect weather for watermelon. I got some bananas as well. I picked up 2 of that. I also got some, well, this really large cucumber for my salads, lettuce for me. I got some skincare product. This product, you guys, don't sleep on it. If you have a farm food close to you, especially this, you see this one, this anti-aging retinol cream. This thing is gold, and it's not up to £1. It is gold. I can tell you what it's doing to firm up my skin, you guys. Retinol, don't sleep on retinol. And also this anti-dark spot serum. It's really good. I love the combination of this with some vitamin C serum and sunscreen. Your skin is gonna thank you. It's gonna thank you. Okay, so I picked up 2 bags of I call them tangerines, but you call them, or some people call them oranges. Most people say easy peelers, whatever works for you. I got 2 packs of ginger. I'm thinking of making zobo, but I'm not sure yet. So I got 2 things of ginger here. I got a pack of sponges. My sponge is worn out. It needs to be replaced. I got some bagels for easy breakfast for me and my husband. Ribena for the boys. I'm sure they have some from last month that they haven't finished, but that's just topping up for this month, so we might skip this next month. Alright, I got some sea salt, so I need to replace that. I always get this at Farmfoods because it's ridiculously cheap there. I also picked up some dark soy sauce from Aldi. This goes into my dispenser here. This one. Yeah, so this goes into stir fries. It's really good for marinating meat. I don't know who put this in the basket. This was in the basket and we paid for it, and I didn't realize it until we had left the store. My husband saw this drink here and he says we should try this. I'm thinking this one is like 100% with no concentrate. We got some orange juice. The boys have already had 2 of that. We got a bag of onions. I usually like getting these ones because they look dry and they don't spoil easily. Last but not the least, I got a big box of soft washing powder. This is everything that we got this month. Altogether we spent about £215 for this whole lot. It's not a bad deal, seeing that almost half of it was just meat and the rest is, you know, like fruits and condiments and yogurt and things like that. So all of this needs to go in the freezer very soon because this son is not smiling at all. All right, so before we go, I just wanted to show you this really quick unboxing from Dagusta. Each month they send me a box. They are a food and drink UK based wellness subscription, and this is the content from their May unboxing. If you guys are looking to get your own Dagusta box as well, you're able to use my link in the description box. Also use my discount code for amazing discounts. Product of the month is this Kellogg's box. Absolutely amazing. If you think this is a good deal, let me know in the comment section. If you are getting some things cheaper in some other places, let me know. If you like this video, do want to give it a huge thumbs up. It does a lot to help my analytics and also get other people to see this video as well. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Do not be a stranger. You're welcome to join us. Alright, you guys, I will see you in my next one.